Alright guys, so I'm going to unbox my Young Living essential oils and the products that I bought from YLE. Yeah, I just received it and it's been I think two weeks since I ordered these products. And yeah, most of my products I ordered them like a bulk so that I don't need to order the next time kasi for me I'm only using it for myself and for my family. So what I did when they delivered from DHL, which is a smooth delivery, I sanitize it first because of what's happening right now. The viruses, COVID-19. So yeah, I haven't actually opened this one. So let's unbox it. So I bought a lot of stuff. Okay. So yeah. So in this section, they have the good thing about Young Living pala, they ensure na hindi talaga yung products mo safe package yung ma-receive mo, as in very safe sila. So yung packaging nila very good talaga. So first I have this Ningxia red. It's 2 bottles. I bought it for my husband because he needs it. So yeah, Ningxia red. Later we're going to open it, or can we open it now? Okay, I'm going to open it now. It's 2 bottles. I think it can be good for a month use. Konti lang naman yung iniinom daily. Yeah, I haven't actually bought any essential oil na pwedeng i-partner dito other than lemon. I think based from the review, maganda yung lime and tangerine, masarap daw. So see, ganito yung pagka-package talaga. Sobrang safe para hindi mabasag. So we have 2. Yeah. And yeah, it's this one. Maybe later guys, we're going to review din yung kung anong taste ng Ningxia Red Young Living. Sobra talagang masarap siya and very maganda sa katawan natin, masustansya. I always recommend Young Living products, not because I use it for business or anything, because I use it for myself and very tested na yun dahil dati sobrang sakit din ko talaga. So I'm going to put it here. So that's for the Ningxia red. And then we have, I'm so excited about this, the what's this? Thieves home cleaning kit. I bought it kasi wala na talagang alcohol dito sa UAE. So I bought it because we need it. Mahilig kaming maglinis ng bahay and we want to ensure na meron kaming panlinis and we don't have alcohol anymore. So I'm so excited for this one. I really invested. Even we move to other places or to even other country, I'm going to bring this for sure. Okay? So this is the kit. Here's the kit. It's the home cleaning kit, Thieves. So we have yung bottle. Maybe what I will do is I will do a separate video using this. Tsaka yung Thieves essential oil, household cleaner. Tapos meron din siya yung package, yung bag. Nandito yung mga oils. So pag naglilinis ng bahay, ito yung gagamitin na oil. Hindi mo na, kasi lagi kami bumibili ng disinfectant, mga ganyan, Dettol, Clorox, so I don't need to buy that. I will just use Thieves water and these oils, which I think I'm going to use it for long time. Yan, at saka yung ano niya. So maybe later pag i-review ko to with the maglilinis ako, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Alright guys, so that's my Thieves home cleaning kit. Okay? Alright, so then I have this. This is for me. Balance complete meal replacement. Because during the COVID, I'm really eating a lot. I'm doing intermittent fasting, but unfortunately, because of the COVID, I'm just at home and my family are eating breakfast. At saka ako na din nakaka-eat. So, I just want to do this meal replacement, you know, to watch my weight. And they said this is really, really good. I think the rest are all, so I have the kit here and the receipt. I have all the oils. Most of these oils are, can you believe, it's all for free. When I bought the Ningxia, the Thieves home cleaning kit, and also this Balance Complete, when I ordered them, I got a lot of freebies oils. So I think yung in-order ko lang dito is the lemon, lemon Vitality, and peppermint, kasi super favorite ko talaga sila. As in, I cannot live without peppermint. Super, super, super. So yeah, I only bought those, but the rest of it are all for free. I will show you, most of it are for free. So I have that lemon and peppermint, and then the peppermint, eucalyptus, you know, it's only for free. I got it for free. Cinnamon bark, I also got this for free. I think because of the scores, but I don't really know how it works. But when I ordered, I just get a free, you know, bottle of this. So all of these are, you know, freebies or something that I got for free from Young Living. Yeah, all of this. So yeah, ito for free.
Saan mo ka ba't ilagay mo?
And then lemon, this one is also free. But there is another, oh, I got two. Okay. Abundance, no, it's not for free. This I bought, but these are also freebies. I want to use this abundance. Maybe I will review also some other time. But yeah, I have already, you know, the Believe one. And it works so well, and I want to use this abundance as well. And then we have a few more. So I think these are all the, yeah, the peppermint and the, you know, the lemon. Yeah. And then we got the last package. This one, hindi ko siya tinatapon. I always use it pag nag-wipe ako ng table or anything like tissue. Kasi sayang naman eh, you know. You can recycle, zero waste. So yeah, I can use that. Sometimes I also use this mga shoes. Pero this time, I will not be able. This tea tree is also for free. It's also for free. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Most of it, yung mga oil, I don't know how, but yeah, because maybe of the number of points that I have, even from the last time that I haven't used, that's why I got those for free. So yeah, I think that's most of it. We just want to ensure that nothing really. This one I will keep it because we can use it. We can recycle it, you know. We can use it. And then there's nothing. This one I used it before for the shoes, but now because I have a lot already, so I won't use it anymore. So I think that's most of it. To be honest, even the situation right now, it's still, you know, a smooth transaction and smooth delivery. So what I got here, my Ningxia. Okay, my Ningxia, which for my husband, and then I got this Balance Complete, and yeah, I've got all of this. I need a medkit. All the oils that I've got. Yeah, actually I only bought the Abundance and the Lemon Small Vitality and the Peppermint, and the rest are all for free. Alright, and then I've got my favorite one, the home cleaning kit with this and this, and my favorite, yay, I can clean it. Like, I'm so excited, you know. and use this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it. It's by the way, it is glass. And then this one, I'm going to use this as well, and use this as well because we need to recycle, zero waste life, you know. And then this, as I've mentioned, guys, wherever I go, I want to use this. I want to use this. However, I hope my husband will not choose it when he is cleaning cars. So I hope he won't choose, but I want to use that. I want to bring it wherever, you know, we go. And then yeah, this Young Living for cleaning. So all of this, I actually spend, yes, I know. But most of it are freebies as well because, you know, we need it. It's for the health. It means I don't need to buy Dettol. I don't need to buy Dettol. I don't need to buy, you know, Clorox. I don't need to buy a lot of stuff because all of this, you know, naging okay talagang pakiramdam ko. Hindi na ako naging sakit. And since I use Young Living essential oil, and this one are for my husband. And yeah, that's mostly, I know I spent, however, I use it for good. It's for the health, especially what's happening right now. It is really important that we take care of our health. And yeah, it's for our body. So for this one, I'm so excited to use it. I will clean tomorrow, so maybe I will take another video to show you how to use it, and when I clean as well, I'll show you. Alright guys, so that's mostly it. Unboxing my Young Living essential oil stuff, and I was really excited when I received it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again in some of other videos later that I will post related to, you know, the reviews and how I use the items. All right, but so far so good. I've been using Young Living essential oil for almost 2 years now. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.